we have reached Senado Square. Ito yung square. Dami dito shops, mostly branded na din. May Watsons. Gusto mo ba tumingin? Okay.
Ay, shampoo.
Oh, ayan. Just later.
Thank you.
Alam mo, mag-voice over na lang siguro ako, guys. Senado Square. Guys, update. Hindi kami nakakuha ng egg tart because cash only, Macau currency only. Hindi din sila na-accept ng Hong Kong dollars. Wala kaming ganun. It's a pass for us. Oh well. Now we're just heading to the Venetian, Parisian side of Macau. Hanapin namin bus. Okay. Talk to you later.